What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and as you can see, we've got another massive tech unboxing. This one is number 23. We actually missed last month for the first time ever. This would have been number 24 and the 2-year mark of us doing this series. But you guys know the deal. Grab your snacks, grab your drinks, relax, because we're gonna chill and unbox some tech. Now, the first product usually goes to Ari, but it goes to our sponsor today, so no luck for you. We got this giant box over from the folks at Vizio. All right, and here we have it, y'all. This is Vizio's P-Series Quantum X 65-inch 4K HDR Smart TV. But let's actually set this thing up and take a better look at it. So this TV is supposed to be able to show off more colors than your standard 4K television. And the colors on this look really good, wow. And I'm happy with how bright this thing gets. It's supposed to get 10 times brighter than most other 4K TVs out there, and I can definitely see that. Now, something that's cool about this TV is that it has a built-in Chromecast, so I can send something from the phone right to the TV. Ooh, that looks clean. Now, this TV is, of course, 4K with HDR, and Vizio's really proud of the blacks. It's supposed to be like OLED-like black, so you get really deep blacks. And you're also supposed to get brighter shades of white, so those highlights are gonna look really good. Now, not only can you cast this using Google Chromecast, you can even turn on the TV or stream apps using your voice with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit is coming soon. If you guys wanna learn more about this TV, I'll of course have links down below in the description, but we've got a ton more things to unbox. So let's get back to it. All right, so box number 2, Ari, you can get that one.
All right.
Oh, hurry it up.
It was like a yellow package I saw before.
What, this guy?
Yes.
You must know what's in here.
I do.
Some skull candy earbuds. Hold up, are these truly wireless earbuds from Skull Candy?
Yes, isn't that cool?
So check this out. Here we have them. Throw these in the ear. These feel like both AirPods and Galaxy Buds in one. So if you look at the design, guys, if we just take off the stem, we're looking at some Galaxy Buds right here. And this is the charging case for it. So you kind of just throw them in here, very much like the AirPods. So you get 4 hours with the earbuds and an additional 12 with the case. So that gives you a total of 16 hours of playback. Not bad.
$79.99.
They're $79.99. Ooh, okay, we definitely want to check this out. See what that sound is like. All right, so Ari got her choice. Now, I'm gonna go for this one because I know what's in here and it's kind of special. What we've got over here, guys, is the Sony a6400. Now, I have the Sony a6500, but this is a really cool option because it's less expensive and you also get that pop out screen. And me personally, I'm a huge Sony fan. Almost every video we shoot uses a Sony camera. Even right now, the camera we're shooting on is the Sony a7 III. Absolutely amazing, fantastic camera. And I decided I like it so much that I teamed up with Sony to give one away to one of you guys who happens to be a creator. And if you guys want a chance to enter the giveaway and potentially win an a7 III, follow me over on Twitter, tweet me with the name of your channel as well as what it's about and the link to it. I'll check out the channels and I'll be picking one person to win a brand new a7 III, just to kind of give back to you guys to also create some content with an amazing camera. And though you guys don't need a bunch of subs or anything, you can have a really low sub count, it doesn't matter. As long as I see that you're trying to create some content and you could use a really solid camera to do it, that's all that you need to enter. So good luck to all of you creators out there. Can't wait to see your stuff. But as for this a6400, we are going to try and use it a bit, kind of get to learn what it's like. And I'll let you guys know what I think of it.
Can I pick another one?
You want to pick another one?
Yeah, I'm getting greedy.
All right, 2-in-1 video.
Okay.
You're lucky you're my wife.
This one, I really want to know what's in
What's in this?
Yeah.
You know, we got this from the P.O. box. I've got no clue what's inside of here. Some kind of suitcase? All right, let's take this over here. This is an interesting suitcase. Oh, okay. All right, it says read. Okay, so this is a clock, Nixie tube clock. There's some other stuff in here as well, like smells like some candy, but I think this is where the actual tech is. Oh, this looks like some kind of old school. Oh, look at this. It's got UAC engraved at the bottom.
Cool.
Packaging was a little scary at first. But this is actually looks legit. Oh, there you go. That is actually, oh, it changes by the second. Oh, that is awesome. So this is a pretty cool box with a bunch of, you know, cool retro stuff all the way from Russia. So shout out to Pass Indicator for sending this stuff out. I'll have them linked down below in the description. Ari, this is something all you again, right? BedJet? So Ari said that this is a bed sheet that should be able to warm or cool itself. Now I like this kind of tech because it's different. So with this, you're supposed to be able to cool or warm your bed sheet, which is something I've never seen a bed sheet do before. Interesting, this is nice because Ari likes a cooler room. I like it to be warm. So this is actually something, we're always fighting with a thermostat. This is the sheet and there's another box here, right? That goes with it. So this is the BedJet. This is the thing that actually cools it or warms it depending on what you want. Interesting, so this is what's gonna live under your bed.
That is massive.
Interesting, I wonder how loud this is. We'll update you guys on Instagram, let you know what we think of it. Okay, so next up, let's do this guy. All right, over here we've got the LG X Boom Go PK7. So this is one of LG's new speakers. Now what LG's big thing about this one is being able to take really good sound with you just about anywhere. All right, so here is the PK7. This thing actually features Meridian technology. Basically what that means is you're gonna be able to listen to this at really high volumes and not have it distort the sound. So you can blast your music and it still sound really clear. Usually speakers sound really weird when you kind of throw it up. It starts to sound distorted, but this Meridian technology is supposed to prevent that. But let's get this thing a little charged up and check out how it sounds. Oh, nice. So you guys can see those RGB lights over here.
Really good.
That sounds great. Okay, so now we gotta play this thing at max volume since that's what this is all about.
I gotta keep on two of my passions.
Okay, it sounds much better on a surface.
It's gonna be the hardest thing I think I ever had to do.
Okay, so that's pretty impressive. That's at 100%, and I was listening out for distortion, didn't hear it. Thanks to that Meridian technology. That's nice. It's got some crazy, it's got some nice bump to it and everything. So, all right, LG, huge shout out to you guys for sending that out. Oh, let's go. I've been waiting on this one. So Astro has the new customizable PS4 controller called their C40. So if you check out the back here, you can see all the customization options that it has. Kind of reminds me of the Xbox Elite controller. Sony never came out with their own fancy controller. So Astro stepped up to the plate and made their own. And I am really excited for this. Okay, opens up like this. It comes with a travel case. Oh, these buttons. And there's also some triggers down here at the bottom too, in the back rather. It definitely does feel a bit bigger, but the buttons are nice and clicky. I like this. Malcolm, come check this out, man.
Oh wow, this is nice.
Okay, so you could probably unscrew that so that you can change the kind of joysticks you're using. Because they have a few different joystick options over here if you want to switch it up. And it uses this little dongle to connect, so you just put this in to the USB port and you're good to go. Oh, okay, cool, cool, cool. Wait a minute. Can you pick this up and, oh, that's,
Switch it.
okay, so that is kind of cool. So if you want to have your D-pad at the bottom, you can do that. If you want your D-pad, if you're a freak and you want your D-pad on the right, you could do that too.
Right here.
Two jumps. All right, so this thing is crazy customizable. The feel is really nice. Now I just gotta test it out. Oh, you got another one of those headphones you got. I feel like you got a lot of stuff in this massive tech unboxing, Ari.
Yeah, I tried ordering stuff I thought you'd like.
So this is Sony's new extra bass headphones. I didn't even know these came out. So these are the WH-XB700. How much were these? $130. So these have to have something special to be in that price range. So this has Google Assistant and Alexa built into it. Oh snap, these are actually kind of small. Oh, these are on-ear headphones. Now with on-ear headphones, you'll probably feel the bass quite a bit. Since they're actually on the ears, you'll feel that thump a lot more. But at 130 bucks, I am curious to see how good it sounds. Okay, so it comes with a USB Type-C cable, as well as a regular audio jack. I like the two-tone blues over here. This looks really good on the ear cups. But of course, I'll let you guys know about this in a future video. Okay, this is from Microsoft, and We all know what this is, right? Do we even have to guess here? This has to be, I'm saying the Phantom White, because I haven't gotten that yet. You know, that Phantom White, baby. So let's see this thing for the first time. Dang. This is a clean controller, guys. Now, the only thing that would make this better is if it had the grips in the back. That would make this thing perfect, like some great grips. They have a line of these that have like that see-through top, and man, it looks so good. Shout out to Xbox. Keep them coming. What's that? Oh, is this a headphone stand? So this is a headphone stand, and it also has a wireless charging pad. So you can have your headphones sit right here, you can plop your phone down, and it also has 3 USB ports so that you can charge up multiple devices. This is actually pretty cool. And it's a simple 1 cable operation that we've got going on over here. Cool. You ordered these. Oh, shout out to you for everything, huh? Let's see what else we got inside of here. A backpack. Oh, SteelSeries. Let's go. All right. It's got like an orange interior. Not a lot of compartments though, but it's got a lot of space. So cool. Shout out to SteelSeries for sending me a backpack. All right, I feel like we can't ignore this thing any longer. It is a gigantic box. Okay, so this thing is a little used. It's all good. So what we're looking at, guys, is basically a robot vacuum. Holy mess. Yeah, all right. So this stuff looks pretty used, and for it being a cleaning device, kind of don't want to touch this. So we are going to continue with the other packages. But all right, let's see if we got better things here. This is from, ooh, more Astro. Let's go. So what we got right here, guys, is the A40 Mix Amp Pro. And this is for the PS4, so you can kind of get like a whole setup going with these and the controller. All right, this packaging though, ooh, look at that. Let's go. Here we have the headphones themselves. Whoo, that's clean. All right, these look awesome. And over here, if you really care about your audio, you wanna fine tune it. Right here, we've got the Mix Amp Pro. And what's dope about this is not only does it work for the PlayStation 4, but it also works for the PC. You can just kind of hit this switch over here and choose which one you want. Boom. And the same goes for the controller, actually. It can work for the PC as well. And here you have, of course, the mic, which you can just kind of add on. So it's modular in that sense. And over here, you've got all of the cables and whatnot that you'd need to get it started. I am super hyped to try this all out with my PS4. Astro, huge shout out to you for sending this out. All right, now can I be a little selfish here? Can I go for something that's all about me? So over here, we've got something from our good friends over at Gundam Planet. You guys heard me talk about them plenty of times. That's where I usually buy all of my Gundams. So first up, we've got the Victory 2 Assault Buster Gundam. And not only that, I picked up the special effect wings. So that's also nice. But I got a big boy over here. Here we have the perfect grade Gundam Astray Red Frame Kai. Now you guys know the studio is where I have all of my Gundams, but these perfect grades, which are a bit bigger, I think these are what I'm gonna bring over to my house and put them in my man cave and have them kind of displayed. All right, don't give me that look. Don't give me that look.
In the basement, we are good.
But if you guys wanna find cool Gundams like this, I'll of course have Gundam Planet linked down below. I'm glad they're in Jersey with me, because I get to go into the store whenever I want. Is this a phone? The G6 Pro gaming tablets. Now, I've never heard of this brand before. Holy mess. All right, it's a tablet, but it's supposed to be a gaming tablet. The specs are on the side here. I'm not sure what the price is, but I'll have info on it linked down below in the description. It's like a pretty inexpensive tablet, I'm assuming. Now, certain products like these might not make it into a video, but I might do some updates on Instagram after playing around with them, letting you guys know what I think. So if you're interested in that, be sure to follow me there. Oh, Ventive. Let's see what we've got here. So this is a wireless watch dock duo. So this is supposed to be able to charge your Apple Watch as well as your iPhone, or I guess any other smartphone that has a Qi wireless charging capability. So you would put in your cable here in the little USB port, wind it up, kind of put it inside here, boom. And you use the plug, USB Type-C, to throw your phone at the very top. Interesting design. It's all right. It's all right. What do you guys think? Let me know with a comment down below. Next. Oh, I picked this thing up. So this is supposed to be a device that pretty much sanitizes your smartphone. Now, there's been tons and tons of research about phones being dirtier than public toilets. Can you believe that? And what this thing does is you put your phone inside of here and it uses UV lights to kill off germs. Oh, okay, and this thing doesn't only work with smartphones. You could put credit cards, key fobs, pacifiers. All right, that's a little too much, guys. I'm not putting my baby's pacifier inside of this thing and called it clean. So you're supposed to be able to also charge your device as well as power this guy. So we'll try and test this thing out and see if it stays true to its claim. But yeah, for you germaphobes out there, this kind of thing exists and I'm interested in trying it out. Okay, so I picked these up a little while ago. I forgot, they shouldn't even be in this video, but these are the MPAL JAWS. This is the updated version. I did a budget Bluetooth earbud video. So I'll have the video link down below in the description. I have to try these out, but the previous version was really good. So check that video out if you're looking for cheap earbuds. Now, the last product, please don't disappoint. Ooh, not bad. Dang, so many headphones. So these right here, guys, are the Jabra Elite Active 65T. Also a pair of truly wireless earbuds. So here they are, guys. These are the Jabra Elite. So let's see how they fit. Not bad. Not bad. Of course, they do have that in-ear design, so it makes it a lot easier, but nice. I'm gonna have to try these out and test them out and all that. But I think that about wraps it up, right? We got a lot of cool stuff here. Lots of cool headphones, gaming stuff. That bed jet. I want to see what that's like in person. That's going to be interesting. But huge shout out to all the companies that sent something out. If you enjoyed the video, be the cool guy or girl that gives it a thumbs up. Let me know if there's anything here that you absolutely want to see in a future video. And also be sure to check out the description. We've got that giveaway going on for the Sony a7 III, as well as hit the link for that Vizio P-Series Quantum X65. But that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Till the next one, it's your average consumer. Peace.